how to change your formation in Fantasy Premier League. So if you want to change your formation in Fantasy Premier League, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open up any web browser. In my case, I'll open Safari, and then you need to type Fantasy Premier League and go with the first website, which is the official website. And once you're on your official website, you can either go with your desktop site or your phone site. Now here you will have squad selection, but make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging in, tap on squad selection, and now you will land on this page. And here you can see all the player cards. You can choose whom to keep as goalkeeper, defender, and many more. And after that, you can tap on the player card and add the players. To change the formation, you just simply tap on the player card and remove the player card. Now to remove your defender, you can tap on the player and tap on remove icon. So I'll just simply go and select some persons as defender, and here you need to select the person as a select that particular player, and then here on the bottom you'll have remove, tap on remove, and it has been removed. Likewise, you can simply tap on the player card and remove them and add the other player. This is how you can change the formation in Fantasy Premier League, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.